Hi friends, my name is Polina Botticelli. This is the second video about how I'm making my dream come true, and the dream is to have my own space for creativity, which I imagine in the shape of houseboat. Maybe it can be something else, it will be something else, but let's see. So since I have the idea of houseboat and I did some actions towards the dream, now I'm in kind of waiting pause and also still gathering the information. I realized that I don't have a place for building process, and this is the, well, I don't want to say problem, but this is kind of a problem, because if I don't have space where I build, then I cannot build. So I checked if I can rent a place next to the water, and I couldn't find something affordable. Everything is super expensive, like 375 euro per month. This is the cheapest I could find. And also I found one friend. I just spontaneously shared with her my idea, and she said that she have a friend who have a friend, and this friend of the friend of the friend of mine, she have her houseboat. So I asked if she would agree to talk with me, maybe to ask my questions, to help me. And now I'm still waiting for the answer. But while I'm waiting, I decided to come. Why I'm in the forest right now, by the way, yeah? Because since I want to build it probably from wood, I realize that I have to practice a little bit in building from wood. So and because I love forest, I grew up actually in Siberian taiga, because my father was a hunter. So I spent all my childhood in the forest or at nature, and I miss it so much here in Berlin, in this big megapolis. So I'm taking everything which reminds me of the forest to my place at home, and I want to build houseboat from not just wood. I mean, it will be not only wood, it would be probably fiberglass, but the basis will be from the wood, and I want a lot of curvy woods, like driftwoods, something like this. So I like this shape of curvy woods. So I came to the forest and I'm collecting some pieces of nice wood, just to try to practice to work with wood, because I never did it before, to build something from wood. Okay, I started with something small, and this is actually how it's the best way which I found for myself. It's to start always with something small, to try, then to make it bigger. So when you have more experience, you also take a bigger project. So I started from something really small. Here you can see I made a frame for my mirror, and I put all my jewelries, which is not jewelries, not the real ones, around, and I'm very happy about the result. I can watch it, like, cannot stop watching it. Actually, I love it so much, this driftwood. And now I want to make kind of letters for my daughter, and maybe I will make also some furniture from the driftwoods, if I would have enough of power. The thing is, then, since I don't have a car, maybe I now have to carry this huge piece of wood from the forest. I came with a bicycle. It's 2.5 meters long, these pieces of wood which I took. So maybe I will keep it, and I will just come with a tram, and will take it with a tram. People would look very strange at me if I will come to the tram with a big piece of tree, but who cares. So I found one piece for the letter, which will supposed to look like this, approximately. And now I'm searching for the second one. Just so nice to be here in the forest. I thought it's a forest next to the city and not so quiet, but this piece I found interesting. I have to somehow figure out if it's not too wet, not too old. Looks good, actually. Let's measure it. So yeah, this piece fits, and now I would have to spend like half an hour trying to use the saw and to cut the necessary piece. So now I cut the piece, and the big problem is how to transport it to my place, which is about 2.5 kilometers. I mean, I can walk, but then I get really tired and I will waste a lot of time. So this is my one piece and this is my another piece, and now I'm going to put second piece also to the bicycle. That's the idea, and then I will walk. Okay, I think that's going to be a long way home because the bicycle now is really heavy. If you really want something, you will find a way. So now I took it off from the bicycles, and I put it in a way how they supposed to look, I guess, when they be. It will be kind of a letter for the child, like to practice in climbing, for some physical activity. And it's like this German Kinderspielplatz playing ground for kids, but at home. And I have to remove this. I mean, of course I can use a special equipment, but I have to buy it. Drill I have, but this metal brush I don't have, and it goes off so easily, so I will just use the knife, I guess.
Avi, nein!
A little bit of help. So it's supposed to look like this, I guess. So now I start to have a first experience. For example, if I just use this tool like this, like it's X, then there is a hole afterwards, hole like this, and I don't like it. That's why I have to use the saw to cut the small pieces of branch like this, so it would looks better. So friends, I found better saw. I hope it's better. And I came here because I don't want my beautiful woods to be wet under the rain. So I came here in this place where I'm actually not allowed to do this, but no one cares. And this is not my place, I mean. But I can use it just permanently. So I will remove now the unnecessary little branch, so it's more safe for our daughter and for us. And I will work a little bit with this tool, removing this to make peeling for the tree. Actually, it's the same. The smell is fantastic. I love the smell of the pine tree. This is one of my favorite smells in the world. That's why it's nice to do it. Oh. Also, I'm going to use this knife. This is my knife gift from a good friend, and I make this myself from a real skin of the snake. I didn't kill the snake, of course. I found it at the street. It was dead from the car. So I already measured how long should be my stairs, and let's see how long I can get from this piece. So here is the first piece, and now in the same way I have to find another. There, something nice. So here is a nice piece. This branch from here up to here. I will cut. Okay, I'm done. This branch I took just because I like it very much. I don't know if I will use it someday somehow. And this is how I'm going to go home. Compact. If I will build my houseboat like this, then after 10 years when it's finished, I will have a muscles like Hercules, I think. I have to find a better way. But till now it's okay. It's just 4 little sticks. This I will manage with hands and knife. So I myself removed the old letter. It was not so easy actually, but I managed. And then we installed hooks in the wall, and using a rope we fixed first left part of the letter. So I decided to paint also the walls. So because with the white background it don't look so well for my taste. So I renovate the flat, and my husband helped me a lot with the final stage, like to put the stairs. For this we have to cut a little bit of wood from the big stems of the tree, so the round branches could fit in and it would be safe and strong. And our daughter, she loved it in the very beginning. She couldn't wait to use it. She was always asking where we finish. And I didn't film so much about how we made the stairs, just the last piece, and that's it. So I'm very happy about the result because my daughter is very happy. She liked it. She liked it more than the previous letter, and I like that I have piece of forest in my house, in our living room.
Ich mag es, Mama.
Ja, warum magst du das?
Weil man kann auf dieser Leiter klettern, sitzen und die kann man runterrutschen.
Mhm. Das freut mich sehr. Siehst gut aus.